How I made $15.65 in 15 minutes. All right, first you want to go to share a sale. That's shareasale.com and find you a merchant. As you can see, you got plenty of categories to go through, from A all the way to W. Grab your merchant, then head over here to Picoworkers. After you chose your merchant from Share a Sale, next you want to create and start a new small job with that merchant that you got from Share a Sale. I'm gonna leave all the links in the description so it'll take you straight to it. After that, watch the sales come in. Every lead type, $1.25, $1.25, $1.25, $1.25. We'll scroll down, $1.25, $1.25. We even got a 70 cents, another dollar, $1.25, $1.25, $1.25. I just showed you how to make $15.65 in 15 minutes.